Okay, hi everyone. In this lesson, we're going to do some exercise on algebraic expressions. As we play along the video, feel free to stop and try the questions by yourself first before proceeding to see how the steps are done. This will help you to check whether your steps are correct or not. Okay, today's exercise will be taken from Daily Mathematics Form 1 by Gita Publications. This is an excellent book if you are trying to find more exercise on math. So it's really helpful because this book has a lot of math exercises. So let's start with the first question here. Okay, so this is the expression that I have. So 5x minus 2y plus 3x minus 5y. Okay, so this is an algebraic expression. Okay, note that this is an algebraic expression. Okay, and this is not an equation. Okay, because there is no equal to sign. So if there is no equal to sign, what we are going to do is we're just going to move the terms around. Okay, so we have to put the like terms together. Okay, so just to recap, what is the meaning of like terms? Like terms, it means that you have the same variable. For example, here we've got the 5x and also the positive 3x. These are like terms. And the minus 2y and also minus 5y, those are the similar terms. So now we are going to do grouping. So in algebraic expression, we have to group them together. Okay, remember that when we group them, the sign does not change. So let's do that. Okay, so we will put all the x together. So 5x. Okay, so I've got my 5x. So I'm going to circle it just to know that I've moved it already. Next one is plus 3x. Okay, so note that I am following the sign that is in front of the 3x. Okay, plus 3x. So make sure that you don't change the sign of the term. Okay, if it's positive, okay, the symbol in front of it is a positive, then just maintain it. Do not change the sign. Okay, so we are done with x, so we can move on to the next term. So next term, we've got a minus 2y, right? So you just write minus 2y. And last one, we've got minus 5y. So write it now. So once you have done your grouping, the next step will be to solve it. So the similar terms can be added together. So 5x plus 3x would equal to 8x. Minus 2 minus 5 would equal to minus 7y. So that will be the solution for this one. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So hopefully you were able to do that one just now. Okay, we're going on to our second one. Okay, here is our second one. Okay, 6a plus 2b minus 3a plus 7b. So at this point, you might want to pause the video for a while to try to do the question for yourself. So remember, the first step is do the grouping. Put the similar terms together. That is your first step. Okay, so I hope you had paused the video and tried on your own first. So we're going to put the A together first. Okay, so 6A. Right, so in front of the 6A, there is no positive or negative, but because it doesn't have any sign in front of it, we will assume and we know that it is a positive, because if it is a negative number, then it would have been indicated. But in this case, there is nothing. So we know that it is a positive. So that's why in front, I didn't write any positive or negative, because I know it is a positive, right? Unless if it's a negative, then normally the question would have written it as a negative. Okay, next one is move the minus 3a. So write it. Okay, next, we're going to work with the b's. So we got plus 2b. So write it down, plus 2b. And then we've got the minus 7b. So put that together. Okay, next is solve it. Okay, so 6a minus 3a would equal to 3a so equal to 3a. Okay, and plus 2 minus 7b, that would equal to minus 5b. Okay, so that is the solution for our second question. Okay, let's move on to the third one. Okay, I hope that you are getting a hang of this. Okay, our next question. Okay, 6x minus 4y plus 2x minus 3y. So as usual, okay, we're going to see which is our similar terms. We've got x, okay, and we've got y. So I'm going to indicate that using another color. Okay, so remember our first step is to put similar terms together. So 6x, okay. Next one will be our 2x. So plus 2x, okay. Next will be the y's. So minus 4y, okay, and minus 3y. So we're going to put it together now. Okay, so 6x plus 2x will be equal to 8x. Minus 4, minus 3, okay, together it will become minus 7y. Okay, and that will be our answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, question number 4. So all these are quite similar. Okay, so it is just like playing some puzzle. So once you get a hang of it, it will be actually quite fun. Okay, so we've got 8y plus 2z minus 2y plus 4z. So remember what's our first step? Put our similar terms together. So 8y and minus 2y. Okay, those are the like terms. Okay, next we've got the 2z and also the 4z. Okay, so let's work with the y first. Okay, so we've got 8y minus 2y. Okay, and then we go for z. Okay, so you notice that I did not change the sign of the term. Okay, like for example, like the 2y, right? So in front of the 2y is a minus, so I maintain it as a minus. I don't change it. In algebraic expression, just maintain it. Only later on, when we learn about algebraic equation, when you move something across the equation, then the sign changes. But for now, remember, in algebraic expression, maintain the sign, do not change. And if there, especially if there's no brackets, then there's nothing for you to change. The signs do not have to change. And you group them together. So that's really important. Okay, maybe later on we will try some questions with brackets. That might be a little bit different. But how do you differentiate between algebraic expression and algebraic equation? Right, it is the equal to sign. So in algebraic equation, which we will do later, there will be an equal to sign, and when you move something from left hand side to right hand side or vice versa, the sign will change, the operation will change. If it's a plus, it becomes minus, minus becomes plus, times becomes divide, or divide becomes times. It depends on the situation, of course. But in algebraic expression, especially the ones that we have been doing, okay, and we don't even have a bracket, right? So there's really no need to change signs for anything. Okay, you just have to maintain the signs that has been given to you in the question. So plus 2z. So let's continue on. This is the next one. And here we've got plus 4z. So plus 4z. Okay, next solving it. So 8y minus 2y will be equal to 6y. 2z plus 4z is equal to 6z. Okay, all right, let's carry on to the next question. I am going to do question number 5 here. Okay, so question number 5. Okay, we've got 7m minus 2n minus 3n plus m. So first step, put them together, group them up. So let's underline our like terms, 7m and also m. Okay, and then next we've got minus 2n minus 3n. Those are the similar terms. So do the grouping now. So 7m, okay, and plus m. Okay, next is minus 2n and then minus 3n. So put them together. So 7m plus m equals to 8m. Okay, here we've got minus 2 minus 3 will be equal to minus 5n. And we have managed to solve it. Okay, so hopefully you're getting a hang of it right now. Okay, if you're not, you're still confused, not to worry. Sometimes it's a matter of practice. So as you practice more and more, then you will be able to get it. Okay, next one. Okay, now the question is going to be a bit different. So minus 5x minus 3y plus 6x minus 5. So you will notice that this question is a bit different because the beginning itself is a negative term. But not to worry, we will group them first. So we've got x and x here. And the other term that we have is, okay, the y's. So we're going to group the x and the y's together. So let's move the x together. So you notice that I wrote as it is, right? It's negative 5x. I'm going to write it as it is, negative 5x. Okay, and then I'm going to put the 6x together, plus 6x. Next is the minus 3y, so minus 3y, and minus 5y. So I've grouped them together already. So minus 5 plus 6. So this will become, okay, actually it will become x. Okay, minus 5 plus 6 is equal to positive 1, but we can just write it as x. Okay, so positive 1x is just equal to x. Okay, and on the back part, we've got minus 3 minus 5. So together it becomes minus 8. Okay, and that's it, done. Okay, right, so we can carry on to the next one. So 4a minus 5b minus 3b plus 2a. So again, underline your like terms together. 4a with 2a, those are the like terms. Minus 5b minus 3b. Okay, that is another one. So 4a plus 2a minus 5b minus 3b. Okay, so here we will get 6a minus 8b. Okay, so if you were to start the expression with b also, that will be no problem as long as you maintain the signs. You do not change the signs given in the equation itself. Okay, next one, we've got minus 9xy plus 3y plus 5xy minus 6y. So as usual, similar terms, put it together first. The xy's, we will put it together because they are like terms, and the y's, we will put it together because they are the like terms. So minus 9xy plus 5xy plus 3y minus 6y. Okay, so here is negative 9 plus 5. That is equivalent to negative 4xy. Okay, and then plus 3 minus 6, that will be equal to minus 3y. Okay, next one, question 9. Okay, this is quite easy. Okay, I think you should be able to do this by now. So we've got 3 similar terms actually in this question. Okay, sorry, I should. Okay, actually 2 similar terms. I missed out the AB just now. Okay, so we've got 2 similar terms, not 3. Okay, so we've got 3AB and minus 7AB. And then we have plus 4a and plus 2a over here. So we're going to put the ABs together. So 3ab minus 7ab plus 4a plus 2a. So 3 minus 7 is equal to negative 4ab. Plus 4 plus 2 is equal to plus 6a. And then we would be done. All right, next question. Okay, so we are going to do another 2 more questions. So question number 10 goes like this. So 2mn minus 5m minus 2m minus 6mn. So as usual, put your similar terms together. So in this video, I'm underlining it so that we remember these are the like terms that we have to group them together. So 2mn minus 6mn minus 5m minus 2m. So 2 minus 6 will be equal to minus 4mn. Minus 5 minus 2 together will become minus 7m. Okay, next one, question 11. And this will be the last one in this video. So xy minus 4x minus 3x plus 3xy. So as usual, we will underline the similar terms first, xy's, and then we've got the x. So group them together first. So always remember grouping similar